Hi friends, in this video I'll share with you one of the best home remedies to grow long and thick hair fast. This remedy comes from an ancient Chinese village called Honglu. Tradition of using rice water among these Chinese women is not only for hair but also for face. The longest hair length in records is 2.1 meters. They have maintained the strength and shine of their hair even when they are old. Wondering what the secret is? It's definitely not shampoo or conditioner or any other chemicals. They use natural ingredients. The special ingredient that they use is fermented rice water, an ingredient that's easily available in your kitchen. So let's get to the method. Making of this remedy is extremely easy. All you need is rice and water. First of all, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice in a bowl. Then add little water, just enough to wash away all the dirt and impurities. Once you washed it, drain and add about 2 more cups of water. Let it sit for few hours or overnight. It's best if you do it overnight. The next day, boil the water in pan. Rice water not only improves the growth, it also improves the texture of the hair. They will be frizz-free. You will realize you do not need conditioner after the wash. The reason behind this is that it balances your scalp pH levels. It also keeps your hair natural oils intact. Once the water is boiled, just transfer it into a jar and let it cool down. You can use this water straight away. All you need to do is rinse your hair with this water and leave it on for a couple of hours. Then rinse it again with fresh water. You can store this remedy in fridge for about 4 days. Do not use it after that. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe my channel so you get notified for my next video. Thanks for watching.